Breaking news coming in. Massive showdown in Chandigarh. BJP protests against Amarinder government in Chandigarh. Protesters versus cops face off. That's the latest coming in at the moment. We'll get you up to speed with the very latest developments on this breaking news that is coming in. But the news is coming in about high drama that is being reported from Chandigarh. We'll bring you the visuals of the massive showdown in Chandigarh. The Bharatiya Janata Party is protesting against Captain Amarinder Singh government in Chandigarh. The protesters versus cops on your screens right now. The face-off on your screens at the moment. This is against the Amarinder Singh government right there in Chandigarh. The cops have used water cannon to disperse the crowd, and that's what we're picking up, and that's what's coming in from the live visuals that you see on your screens right now of the high drama that is transpiring in Punjab as we speak. This is a massive showdown in Chandigarh. BJP is protesting against the Captain Amarinder Singh government, the Congress government in Punjab. You can see the water cannons being sprayed, massive deployment of the police on ground as well to disperse the crowd. We'll be getting you up to speed with the latest development, get you all the reactions coming in too. But what's interesting here to note is that, and digressing slightly, the protesters, which is the Bharatiya Janata Party protesters, are not wearing masks. They are not maintaining social distancing either, and we're still in the middle of a pandemic. Manjeet Sehgal is now joining us for the latest. Manjeet, there are two things to this. One is tell us the reason for the protest against the Amarinder Singh government by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Secondly, why is it that all social distancing norm, COVID protocol, wearing masks have been completely thrown to the wind at the moment? How do they explain this?
Well, Chaiti, as far as the protests are concerned, 3 protests held today. One protest was organized by the outsourced coaches. They were demanding regular jobs. Another protest was held by the disabled, especially differently abled people. They were also demanding jobs. And the third protest, which you're talking about, is being held by the Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha activists. They had threatened to go on this protest as Punjab government, as per the Paul manifesto, failed to break the chain of drugs in Punjab. They said Captain Amarinder Singh had promised that he will end the chain of drug smuggling and drug peddling within a period of 4 weeks, but 4 years have passed and state government has failed to curb the drug mafias in the state. So BJP youth wing is now protesting against one of the promises made by the Captain Amarinder Singh government to the people of Punjab. BJP workers were protesting, shouting slogans against the Punjab government, demanded ouster of Captain Amarinder Singh as Chief Minister, who has failed to keep the Paul promises. Remember, even the party high command had also asked Captain Amarinder Singh to fulfill 18 demands that were mentioned in the Paul manifesto, and the Punjab government is now facing a number of protests from the opposition parties and people from various walks of life. They are sports persons, they are youths, they are unemployed youth and other citizens.
Leave it at that, Manjeet. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this massive showdown that is witnessed in Chandigarh. What's important here to note is that the BJP Yuva Morcha workers, they're not wearing masks, not maintaining social distancing in the middle of the pandemic and protesting at the moment. The protest is, of course, against drug menace, which is a big issue in Punjab. Moving on now, a fresh